And now we're gonna head into Zombie Attacks, a 6D adventure.
Welcome to the XD Dark Ride Theater.
First place, crazy. So we just finished Zombie Attack, and that was a 6D theater. You sit in a chair that kind of shakes around, and then you got 3D glasses on, and then yeah, you shoot at a screen, and it kind of plays out just a big zombie thing. It's super action-packed. It was actually pretty long, I thought. And then you're competing against, I don't know, maybe 20 people in the audience, and everybody's shooting at the same thing. So it's kind of crazy. And then, wacky, for some odd reason, I got first place. I don't even know how. Wacky. But yeah, it's fun. I would say out of all the rides we did, this one's probably the weakest one. But I mean, you get it on your pass, so whatever, you might as well do it.